Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show how to use your iPhone Notes app to scan and email documents. So let's watch the video till the end. Launch the Notes app on your iPhone. Open the existing note or tap on Create New Note icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Pen icon at the bottom of the note. Multiple options open up here. Tap on Scan Documents. Position the document to capture. By default, it is set to auto, so your iPhone automatically detects and scans the document. If you want to manually scan the document, tap on Auto option at the upper right side and set to manually. Now, tap the Shutter button to scan the document. Here, you can adjust the corners of your document. After that, select Keep Scan option. Hit the Save button to store the scanned document as PDF in Note. Now, open the recent note where you have saved the scanned document. Tap on drop-down arrow next to note name. Then tap on Share option. Here, tap on Mail and type the recipient's email and subject as PDF format. Then hit the Share icon. That's it. This way, Notes app converts your scanned document into PDF, and you can easily share it anyone via email. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.